Hi, we're Andy and Shell, turning our wanderlust into reality. On our channel, we share real travel and cruising experiences to help you explore the world with confidence. So if you're over 50 years of age, like us, why not come along and follow our adventures? Okay, here we go. We're going to look at E315, an obstructed Oceanview cabin on the Diamond Princess. First up, we have our wardrobe on the left-hand side, coat hangers, etc. There's a long cupboard which has the safe and some, different shelving. Looking in the bathroom, hand wash, body lotion, into the shower, and we can see that there is body wash as well as a two-in-one shampoo and conditioner. Into the main part of the cabin, our bed has been set up as a queen bed, and you can see it's against the window. TV, hairdryer mounted on the wall, PowerPoints there on the wall as well. The fridge is down below the minibar. This is an elite setup, hence why the spirits are there. We did order a kettle as well, which comes in handy, limited supply, so get in early if you want one of those. You can see the obstructed view is the lifeboat, the top of the lifeboat. It's still letting plenty of light in, so not a bad option. You can see Yokohama Harbour outside. So that is a tour of E315 on Emerald Deck on the Diamond Princess. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let us know your thoughts below on this type of cabin. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe and follow us as we travel the world.